I'm Ankita Pokharel. In today's video, we'll do reading and grammar portion for the unit Instructions and Directions. Let's begin the class now.
Okay, now let's begin doing the instruction and directions. Here we have the first reading part for the unit. Now, we're about to learn how to make pancakes. Let's see what are the required ingredients. The ingredients required are 100 gram of flour, 2 eggs, 300 milliliters of milk, a lemon, and some sugar. So, ingredients means the requirements or the required things to make something. Procedure number A. First, break the eggs into a bowl. Next, add the milk. Sieve the flour into the bowl. Sieving means separating any impurities using a device. The device somewhat looks like net. I'm sure you have it at your home as well for sieving the flour, right? Next, number D. Stir the mixture. E. Put a spoonful of the mixture into a hot frying pan. F. Cook for 1 minute. G. Flip the pancake. H. Cook the other side for a minute. I. Squeeze lemon juice on the pancake and sprinkle with sugar. J. Now enjoy eating your pancake. Looks delicious. Are we going to try it? Of course, we can try it under the assistance of our elders. So, we had some words that we encountered when we learned how to make pancakes, right? Sieving, I have already explained you in the text. Stir means to mix it, right? Mixture means the final residue or the final product that you get after stirring. Squeeze means to use a force to change its shape or bring out the juice, especially from fruits. Pancake, you already know pancake as it was the final product that we learned making. This bread is as flat as a dash. So what do you think? What answer goes here? As flat as a pancake. A dash is a combination of different things. A mixture is a combination of different things. We write number B here. Number A for pancake. Heat the soup and dash until it thickens. We heat and stir until it thickens. Just take hold of the tube of toothpaste and squeeze. We squeeze it so that the toothpaste inside the tube comes out. When the tea is ready, sieve into a glass. Number E. Next, we have some question answers related to the steps that we learned how to make pancake. And students, this is going to be your assignment for this unit. Let's try doing a grammar exercise. Here, we need to complete the given sentences using the verbs given. And we are also allowed to use negative forms wherever appropriate. Also, the text allows us to use the verbs more than once. Let's try doing it. Don't eat too much spicy food. We have already used eat here, but still we are allowed to use it repeatedly. Number B. Always dash in a queue when you are at a bus stop. Always stand in a queue where you are at a bus stop. Dash noisy during lessons. Don't be lazy. We're using the negative forms. Don't be lazy during lessons. Dash to your teacher and dash their instruction. Listen to your teacher and follow their instructions. Dash on tests. So, do not cheat on tests. Dash on your desk. Sit on your desk. Do we sit on our desk? No. So, we write do not sit on your desk. Dash late for school. Don't be late for school. Dash your younger or less able classmates. Don't bully your younger or less able classmates. Dash attention all the time. Pay attention all the time. Dash asleep at school. Don't be asleep at school. Or you can even write don't fall asleep at school. Dash polite to others. Be polite to others. See, it was easy. Okay, we have another exercise for us. Here we need to rewrite the sentences starting with the verbs to keep the same meaning, and we can also use the negatives. One has been done for us. Let's read it out. You must go to bed early today, Chetan. Go to bed early today, Chetan. So we are only reversing, keeping the meanings same, right? You should get up at 6 tomorrow morning. Get up at 6 tomorrow morning. That's how you write in number A. You mustn't stand in the middle of the road. Dash in the middle of the road. Don't stand in the middle of the road. This is how you do. Now, based on the previous exercise, students, these 4 questions are your assignments. Try doing it and try excelling it. Let's move to reading part 2. Here we need to connect the words or phrases to the correct picture. So one has already been done for us. This symbol means turning left. Go straight. What do you think is go straight? This one. Turn right. Where is the right symbol? Here. On the right, this one. On the left, here we have train station. Do you see any train station? Yes. Here is the train. Post office. We have post office here, and bank lastly is here. Okay, so we are done connecting the words or phrases to the correct picture. Now let's see what do we have next. Okay, so let's read the map. Do you see a stadium, petrol station? Here's the greengrocer, car park. Here's an amusement park. We also have bookshop, supermarket, cyber cafe. Here's also a cafe. This one's airport. This one's hotel. This one's cinema. Here we have a bank, right? Next, what do we have? We have a park here, and we also have train station here. So these are the things that are shown in the picture. Let's also see and find that there's a zoo here, and this is a symbol for bus stop. Now, related to this map, let's read out some text. So what does the text tell us? It asks us to walk along Bricotti Street, take the first turning on the right, go straight on. It's on your left between the restaurant and the hospital. Next, walk along Balbhadra Street, turn left into Pagunanda Street, go straight on, take the second turning on the left. It's on your left between the amusement park and the greengrocer. So what do we need to do? We need to find the names of the places that are just given as instructions here. Next, walk along Bricotti Street, take the second turning on the left. It's on your left. Now what do we need to do? We need to go back to the text and then look into the map, try to find out the names of the places we arrived. Should we try doing it? Let's try. Alright, so students, here we have a map and we're about to read through it and follow the instruction given ahead. Okay, firstly, let's get to know what are the maps for. So if we name them, number 1 is stadium, 2 is petrol station. Marking this number 3. Number 3 is the greengrocer. Number 4 is car park. 5 we have amusement park. Number 6 hospital. 7 post office. 8 is a restaurant. Number 9 as seen is airport. 10 to 11 park. 12 train station. Number 13 bookshop. 14 15 cafe. 16 supermarket. 17 cyber cafe. 18 bus stop. 19 cinema, and finally 20 is bank. So we are done labeling the picture, and here it's easy for us to read the map. Now let's go to the instruction and we'll get back to the map again. So what does the instruction number 8 tell us? Tells us to walk along Bricotti Street, take the first turning on the right, go straight on. It's on your left between the restaurant and the hospital. Okay, let's get back to the map now. So according to the instruction, walk along Bricotti Street. Where is the Bricotti Street? It's right here. So we walk along, and it says take the first turning on the right. Take first turning on the right. We take the first turning on the right. It's on your left between the restaurant and the hospital. When we take the first turning, this becomes our right side and this part becomes our left side. So according to the instruction, it says it's on your left between the restaurant and the hospital. This one's hospital and this one is the restaurant. So we have found out our location, and it's this one, which is the post office. Number 1 is post office. Right, now again let's get back to the questions. What's the instruction given? Walk along Balbhadra Street, turn left into Falgunanda Street, go straight on, take the second turning on the left. It's on your left between the amusement park and the greengrocer. Here we are back to the map, and according to the instruction, the first thing is we walk along the Balabhadra Street here and turn left into Falgunanda Street. We walk along, we turn left to Falgunanda Street, we go straight on and take the second turning, and it says it's on your left between the amusement park and the greengrocer. So this one is the amusement park and this one is the greengrocer. So here we have found out our location and it's car park. So number B is car park. Right, let's quickly go to number C. What does it say? It says, so according to the instruction, we walk along Brickety Street, take the first turning on the left. So we take the first turning on our left, and it says it's on your right, opposite the park. It's on our right, opposite the park. That means it's the petrol. So number C is petrol. So let's read out the instruction number D. It instructs us to walk along Balbhadra Street, take the first turning on the left, and it's on your right next to the bank. Hence, we walk along Balbhadra Street, take the first turning on the left, and it says it's on your right next to the bank. So it's the bus stop. Now again, we have final question, that's number E. It instructs us to walk along Brickety Street, take the second turning on the left, and it says the location is on your left. Let's find out what is it for. What do we need to do? We walk along the Brickety Street, right? Take the second turning on the left, and it's on our left. That means the TD is number E. So here we have a fun exercise to do. Let's try solving it. We can see a little mouse coming out of the box, hence the answer is out of the box. Do we see a cat? Where is it? Is it in front of the box? Yes, it's in front of the box. So this is number B. This one, number C, is across the road, number C. Number D is through the grass. This is number A, this is number B, C, and D. Now what's in number E? Where is the apple? The apple is between the boxes. E. It's in number F. It's straight. Number G, what does it denote? It says past. We have passed a location. So this is number G, and number H is next to the box. Alright. So students, here we have an exercise where we need to fill in the options to the blank spaces given. Let's try doing it. Go dash the building and turn left. What do you think? Could the answer be? Go past the building and turn left. At the end, dash the street, turn right. At the end of the street, turn right. Dash the traffic lights, turn right again. At the traffic lights, turn right again. Go dash ahead until you come to a petrol station. Go straight ahead until you come to a petrol station. Next, take the third turning, dash your right. Take the third turning on your right. Number F, go dash the stationery shop and carry on until you come to a bridge. Go along the stationery shop and carry on until you come to a bridge. G, go dash the bridge and on the side you will see a park. Go across the bridge and on the other side you will see a park. Number H, keep going. After about 300 meters, you go dash a railway bridge. You go under a railway bridge. Circle it down. Keep going dash for another 100 meters. Keep going straight for another 100 meters. See, we are repeating this, right? You will see the tourist information office dash you can't miss. In front of you can't miss. Okay, so if you think other options could be applicable, you can use them as well, as long as the meaning does not alter. Okay, here I have an assignment for you all. Use the prepositions given here above as options to make meaningful sentences, locating your preferable place from your house. So you need to use at least 6 of the prepositions given. Okay? How did your class go today? If you have any suggestions or feedback, feel free to reach out to us at learning@dearwalk.edu.np. See you in the next class with another lesson. Thank you.